Sometimes opening a bank account here will not be as easy as you think. And as a piece of advice, if you are a foreigner here in India, I would really ask you, I would really request you. Hello friends, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about how you can get a bank account here in India as a foreigner. Of course, it is clear that there will be difference when you try to get a bank account here in India as a foreigner and as compared to how the citizen of India would get a bank account. And when you go to different banks, they will be asking different questions. They will be asking for different documents which you can submit there to get this bank account. And I would say this, different banks, different institutions, they will be having their own formalities, their own kind of documents which they will ask you. But in this video, I will tell you the main documents which most of these banks they will ask you. So first of all, you need a proof of identity. So the proof of identity here, you can give your passport as the proof of identity. And the second thing in this regard, you require to show your visa. And this visa also must be valid. And you need also to provide the proof of address. So this is the proof which clearly mentions where you are staying in this particular country, India. So some banks, they can ask you to provide the FRRO, because on this FRRO documents, on the top there will be mentioned the place where you are currently staying. Another document which they can also ask, they might ask you to submit or to give the rental agreement. And another one which they might also ask you, if you are paying the electricity bill, they might ask you to submit the electricity bill of the previous month. And after this, you also need to submit, or you need to show the proof of NRI, or the proof of your foreign status. So because you just need to give maybe the document which clearly shows the purpose of why you are here. For example, if you came here for some type of work, you need to submit that one. You just need to maybe show the work permit, you need to show maybe the letter or the letter of employment. If you came here as a tourist, definitely you have to show that you are here as a tourist, right? So if you came here for studies, you just need to show maybe some documents which clearly shows that you came here for studies, the college and everything where you came to. And after this also, you will be asked to provide the photograph. These are the passport photograph which you can provide, because this also they will be used when you are filling in some documents. And I would also like to add that when you are opening this bank account, they will require your mobile number. So when you are opening this bank account, you need to be having a valid mobile number. Mobile number, in a sense, you might just register for some number, like Indian number, which you will be using. That will be very, very necessary when you are doing some UPI transactions, or whenever you want to do some transactions, that mobile number will be required. And for you who are still watching this video till this second, till this minute, I would also like to give you this bonus of information which I would really want you to be thorough about, and I would really want you to know if you are a foreigner here in India. Sometimes opening a bank account here will not be as easy as you think. So like I said in the beginning of this video, opening a bank account here in India as a foreigner, it will be different from how a citizen will go and open a bank account. So in this regard, sometimes when you go to some banks to open for a bank account, sometimes they will ask you to provide the same document which are required for the Indians when they are opening a bank account. So these documents are Aadhaar card or PAN card. So in this case, if they ask you to provide this type of document, you might say to them that you don't have, and maybe you can provide whatever you have. And as a piece of advice, if you are a foreigner here in India, I would really ask you, I would really request you to try your best to get this type of documents, the Aadhaar card and PAN card, because these documents, whenever you have these two documents, you are good to go. You can get most of the services here in India so easily, so smoothly, without any complications. application. I have made tutorials. I have explained how you can get these both documents. If you click here, you will get the video of how you can get this Aadhaar card. And if you click here also, you will get this video where I explained how you can get the PAN card here in India as a foreigner. And after providing those required documents to these bank people, the next thing that you have to do, they might give you the form to fill up. You just have to fill up that form, and once you finish everything you need to submit this type of documents, those type of papers which they gave you to them, and then there will be a time frame for which you have to wait. And after that time, you just have to go back to the bank. They might also call you to go and collect your passbook and possibly also your debit card. So that's all about opening a bank account here in India. So thank you so much. If you really want to get more videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like my videos.